Caz, we've got a big subject to discuss today.
What's that?
Snoring. Yeah, I don't know if you are a snorer. Apparently I am, which I find very hard to believe.
I don't.
I am quite snuffly, aren't I?
Yeah.
Having terrible trouble with the mushroom spores at this time of year.
I was thinking more about the noise level,
I
actually.
just think I'm noisy all the time. Yeah, but it's...
So does Nick snores, doesn't he?
Oh, terribly.
Yeah.
But he says that I'm the one with the problem. But again, I'm not buying that.
So
at
you're
all.
both potentially in denial.
Yeah, probably. Anyway, there's been a survey that's come out this week, which I love because it says that younger women, and unfortunately we're not quite in that category, just 25 to 34-year-old women apparently snore more than men do.
Do they?
Yeah.
Why?
I mean, I don't really know any women of that age.
No, I
do actually. So I'm like an alien race.
See, no, I've never been a snorer myself, and actually,
But how do you know that?
Well, because I think my husband would say you're snoring, and so I know I don't snore, and I'm actually such a light sleeper. If I snored, I'd wake myself up. I know that for a fact.
But I bet if you snored, it would be really sweet, like a little snuffling piggy. Yeah.
Like a tooth fairy.
Yeah, exactly.
Shaggles, no, absolutely. You know,
Fragrant snoring.
I am loud and in your face. I very much doubt it. Whereas the husband as well, like, I think he would be a great candidate for snoring. He's pretty tall.
Yeah.
He
got big nostrils?
He's got a great pair of nostrils.
You know what they say about big nostrils, Caz?
I've told you before, this is why I'm walking around with a smile on my face most of the time.
It's true.
But he's actually got a broken nose, so actually he'd be a great candidate.
Is that because he broke it? Because he was snoring so much?
No, it was an old cricket injury.
Oh, ow! My God, that sounds really painful. Was it a cricket ball? Did it?
Cricket ball years ago when he was a kid. He's got a kind of slopey nose, but he doesn't snore, but he does that thing.
Yeah.
I don't know if anyone can relate to this. You know when they've been out for quite a few bevies?
Yes.
And he just does that very loud breathing in your face.
I can't deal
really,
with heavy breathing like that. Yeah.
A bit kind of Darth Vader-y like.
Yeah, that's just really irritating.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's interesting about this survey is it mentions women up to 34 and men from, I think, 55 onwards.
Yeah.
But nothing in our sort of category.
We get off scot-free. So I don't know any mates. I don't think I've ever slept with, you know, when you've done your girly sleepovers.
Oh, right, yes.
Girly sleepovers.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been with a woman and they're gone,
That's not what we're here to talk about, Caz, today.
I've never
She's gone off topic, sorry, it's a bit awkward.
We've never...
Just stop it here.
Oh my God. I've never slept with a girlfriend that snore.
Oh, have you not?
No, I don't think I've ever slept with anyone, but
I have.
Loads of men, that came out wrong. What I mean is, I've never come across.
Should we get enough?
I've never come across a woman that snores. That's what I'm trying to say really badly.
Yeah, no, well, I think we've got your point though, so that's that's good. I went to boarding school, so I was known for throwing anything within reach at friends who were snoring.
Kids would snore.
Literally.
Kids can't snore.
Yeah. I'm deeply intolerant of snoring, clocks ticking, just anything, just lights, anything disturbing my sleep.
But see, I'm a really light sleeper, so I have to have literally a cave. It has to be really dark and really quiet, otherwise I can't sleep at all.
Yeah. Maybe we should, be sharing a room then.
Oh, hello!
Oh, there we are, saved by the bell!
Someone's trying to call! See ya!
Bye!